This is an introductory video about EndNote. In this video we will discuss the basics of EndNote, like, what is EndNote, why we use it and how it works. What is EndNote? EndNote is also called Citation Manager. It's an industry standard, commercial software, program for managing bibliographies, citations and references. EndNote is like a database which automatically stores and manages citations or references, bibliographic output styles, online connections of different databases, and filters. EndNote interface.